Hey there, TikTok family. Today we're going to reveal the blueprint of our business model. The first step is we help our partners identify their business objectives. So this is about aligning our efforts with our client goals. So we create different and specialized digital marketing strategies for them to be able to achieve their business objectives. The second is we do industry analysis and competitive research. By diving into our clients' industry and analyzing their competition, we uncover golden opportunities for growth. Third is by mapping out the online customer journey. We map out every step of the online journey from discovery to conversion to ensure a seamless experience. Fourth is we develop a digital marketing framework. So it's all about strategy. We craft frameworks that outlines the precise activities and strategies needed to hit the bullseye with our client's target audience. And the last step is through content planning and execution. We carefully curate content and select the perfect digital platform to showcase our client's brand. From captivating visuals to engaging copy, we make every moment count. And there you have it. That's our business model in a nutshell. Visit our website at fortifyseo.com. Let's talk and be fortified.